Retired pro versus
future pros.
Today we are challenging Canada's top juniors, from city champions to provincial champions to national champions, and to some even champions of the entire continent. I'm going to be playing each player 15 points each, accumulatively up to 60 points. And if they win, I'm going to be giving away 4 badminton rackets. My strategy going into this is I'm obviously old. I can't move faster, I can't hit better, I can't hit harder. But I'm gonna take everything I've learned from Olympians, from former world #1s, and try to use decision making to destroy my opponent. So what's your lineup?
I'm going first.
Okay.
I'm the second one.
Okay.
Third. I'll go last.
And what's the strategy here?
Beat him.
These guys are absolutely afraid of me. I mean, I'm their role model.
Wait, Alex? Who's Alex?
Oh man, okay. All right, 15 points.
Hey. All good, all good. That's all good, that's all good.
My name's Watson, and I've been playing badminton for like 5 years. My highest achievement is winning provincial with my school. My strategy will be to keep on smashing and rushing. I think Alex can't receive my smashes.
Wait, why is this kind of tiring? There's not enough oxygen in here or something.
I don't think he's gonna finish the 60 points, man.
Oh, what the hell? That was just a lift.
Wait.
You got tricked by a lift? Man.
We got the next one, Watson. We got it.
It's kind of easy, giving me this much of a lead. What the hell?
So
All mistake.
Hey, timeout, timeout, timeout.
Wait.
Timeout.
Hey, you know you got him by the smash, right? I feel like if I was you, I would try to like push it to the end and make him force you to lift, you know? Try to like push it to the end, right? You don't have that game at the net, but when you push it back and he lifts, that's when you got it.
I mean, this is too easy so far. All I have to do is keep it in. I'm gonna keep keeping it in, save energy, let it make mistakes. This first one is all about saving energy, not making mistakes, and getting a lead. Because I think the last player here is gonna be our strongest, so I have to save all my energy for him.
Let's go, let's go.
I don't know if that timeout was very useful.
It seemed pretty easy going into the first round, but one thing these juniors had which I didn't was a team.
All right, 2-9, Watson. Come on, you got it. Comeback season now. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Scared. Hey.
He's getting tired. He's getting tired. Why is he sighing? You look like you want to be a idol of some sort. Oh. What does that mean? It's a sign.
Watson had a really strong jump smash, especially after he started warming up.
Easy defense.
It's comeback season.
11-5.
Take your time, take your time.
You guys gonna have a
Come on now,
work hard here
Watson.
to catch up.
Come on now.
So slow. I don't even know how to get that.
Yo, come on now. Keep pushing, man. Keep pushing.
What is this first set?
No.
Okay.
You're okay, you're okay.
15-7 ahead. Haven't used too much energy yet. We'll see what the other people do about catching up, but right now, I'm feeling pretty confident.
So my name is Robert. I'm the best that I have been playing BC Masters 35 champion. And last year I was playing in Taipei Morning Cup. So I got 45 mixed third place.
Wait, this guy doesn't look like a junior. Well, that's because he isn't. Because the player who was supposed to face me got allergies last night and they sent Robert as a replacement. Robert's a great player, but we somehow produced the world's most boring rallies. Editor told me to say this. And since most of you have the attention span of a goldfish, here's how the match ended where Robert got some good points.
Open it. Have a butter.
Hey!
What?
Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Okay, get ahead. Ooh, not sorry. Wow.
Yeah, keep flicking, keep flicking. Oh, got him.
Oh, good shot. 14-27. Okay, don't let him get this point. Out! Close. Last point. Okay, take it.
Giving him a little hope.
Thank you. Okay.
Coming up next was one of the two juniors I was more afraid of. Shenyu looked extremely athletic during warm-up, which made me slightly nervous when it was his turn.
This guy seems quite athletic.
Right, my name is Shenyu Zhang. I've been playing badminton for 12 years in my life. Best title is Portugal #2 for doubles and Chinese Sichuan provincial #5. Yeah, I think I can be Aylex. I mean, no stress. I've been consistent my whole life. Every day has been consistent. I think he gets too stressed out, so I'll try to get in his mind, trash talk a little.
How many points are you gonna get back for the team? Why is he not talking? So he's so locked in?
Yo, Alex is getting a trembling. He's trembling.
Yep, one of my biggest advantages is that all the juniors didn't warm up properly before play.
Doubles pushes.
Okay, Shanyu. Come on, Shanyu.
Shenyu came on making a lot of unforced errors. I could tell he had some big smashes.
What is that? No.
Oh my god.
T. Colin T.
Gee, timeout. They're calling timeout.
You see a lot of stuff you're pushing all the way out.
Yeah.
So now you want to move a little faster, but you can start off from the net. So you gain a bit of confidence here. You know? You can start off with the net and you can like push them afterwards. So set up at the net, like off the receive, start from the net. So he's just scared. Don't worry about it. You got it, man.
All right, come on.
All right, come on now.
Before I come on or before the previous match ends, I would already be warming up because it doesn't matter how much energy you have if you're not warm, you're not ready to hit good shots. So it's pretty useless. 38-17. This time he's gonna net. Out.
LeBron turning calves,
All right, big lead.
Coming up next was Warren, who had the highest achievements of our challengers so far.
When I was warming up with him earlier, he looked pretty good. Very athletic. He has energy. He just keeps me in the rally. He's gonna win, but I'm gonna avoid playing rallies.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, my name is Warren and I played badminton for 6 years now. I'm a provincial champion in 2020. Wait, both. I don't know. Wait. Hey everyone, my name is Warren and I'm a. Hey everyone, my name is Warren. Sorry. Hey everyone, my name is Warren. I've been playing badminton for 6 years now. I'm a provincial champion and a national bronze medalist. I think I can beat Alex today because I think I think I'm good enough. I think the strategy to playing Alex is being patient and playing rally across 4 corners.
It's 45, what is it, 18. Do you feel the pressure that you have to catch up for your team?
No, we always reset our mindset, you know. Mindset's winning here, and I know he's still scared. Now he knows the best one's coming. He doesn't know what's coming for him. I don't even have a pocket.
Just to note, these kids are quite humble. They're not being rude. I'm telling them trash talk a bit more for your entertainment. Come back at the channel.
Oh, he's scared. Down on the floor.
What is this? What's going on?
Hey, Warren's just too much for him. It's just too much for him.
Warren's actually quite a smart player. He adjusted playstyle a few times, which is something juniors don't do that often. You see that at first he was trying to move me around, then he started moving me to my backhand and attacks, then he started playing center with me too.
Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh, lucky.
That's tough.
Why are you so happy?
It's easy.
But you
Gives
just
you-
lost the point.
Of course.
It's easy to lose the point, I know.
Yeah, okay, I see. Oh yeah.
Let's go, Warren. 陈小林加油.
48-22? Dude, this is such a big gap. Okay, that was a rally. Were you so happy all the time, man?
It's okay.
I like
worry about
that.
it.
I like that. That's nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, Warren. Let's go.
30, 49. Wait, what?
30, 49.
I served this side, right?
Yeah, 30-49, 30-49.
Hey, that's all good, Warren.
10 points for me, 30 points for you.
After reaching 50 points, I was extremely
Come on now.
exhausted. Warren took full advantage of that and started scoring as
on
much
now.
points as he could.
Come on, Alex. You're a little quiet. Ooh. Come on, Warren. Let's keep pushing. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's go. Come on.
Okay, last 5 points. You got 12? Wait, 22? What's the math? 12 or 22?
Oh!
Come on, Warren. All you, man. Come on. Let's go.
Oh.
That's it. All day, mate. Let's go, Warren. Come on. Ooh. Hey! Woo! All right, that's our game, Warren. Come on. Hey! Good rally, Warren. Good rally. Come on. Hey!
Wait, you're so close? Holy shit. Okay, so technically it's like 8-0 right now.
Hey, he's out of breath, Warren. Come on, let's get him. Let's get him.
Okay. Actually, I'm winning now.
All right, you good, you good, you good. Come on, Warren, greatest comeback of all time. You got it, mate, come on. Never give up. Hey! Hey!
Ah, yeah.
Come on! Let's go, Warren!
Okay, what a comeback. Let's go. Thank you guys, thank you.
Honestly, pretty great. It's a really fun opportunity to come out and play with Aylex. He's a great player, so it's really fun just to have a challenge here as well. I mean, I think we played not bad overall, and it was a nice comeback at the end too.
I mean, it's a tough loss today. The boys, we tried our hardest. I mean, Aylex got the win, but that means for us, we just have to keep our head down, keep on working hard. That's the way to go.
I feel like it's fun playing with Aylex, but you know, it's his YouTube channel, so I'm not trying to embarrass him.
I feel good. He's playing well, but he can read my game, so I should get more points for the last one. So next time we will play better.